Lumina Park is a stunning spectacle of light and art that takes visitors on a magical journey. The park was first launched in Poznan, Poland in 2021 and has since expanded to several European cities including Sofia. It's a bit cold here because it's close to the Vitosha mountain. As you walk into the park, you encounter a stunning light installation. It resembles a ballroom with elegant dancers glowing in different hues. If you look in the distance, you will notice the stunning colors of the sunset, as well as the dazzling city sparkling at night. Sofia is hosting Lumina Park for the first time this season, featuring 130 light installations and 3 art installations by 2 Polish artists. This season, the theme of the park is Magical World, and you will discover amazing light installations that celebrate the beauty and diversity of nature and animals. Lumina Park is a unique blend of art, music and light that creates a fairy tale atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. I'm inside this massive flower. What you will see in a moment is a thunder in the forest, and immediately after this we see a ladder that seems to connect the earth and the sky. The stars shine brightly, but the ladder is hidden in the shadows. In the next footage, the stars are laying on the ground, but I assume that this is the artist's way of showing the sky and the stars. The next scene swiftly transports me from the sky to the depths of the ocean. I even spot a hidden treasure at the bottom of the ocean, and it sparks my curiosity. As we stroll along, we encounter a swarm of jellyfish glowing with vibrant colors. The park is open between November and February. It's situated on the ring road in Sofia, and it's a bit awkward to get there, but you can still reach it by public transport. You need at least an hour to explore everything in the park.